the world of artificial intelligence, or AI, a technological marvel that's transforming our lives in ways we could have only imagined a few decades ago. But what exactly is AI, and how is it being used today? Let's dive in and explore. Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These machines are programmed to think, learn, and problem-solve like a human being. From recognizing speech to making decisions, AI is all about mimicking human-like behavior. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics, personalized treatment, and patient care. Algorithms can analyze medical images, predict patient outcomes, and even assist in surgeries. Self-driving cars are no longer science fiction. AI-powered vehicles use sensors, cameras, and complex algorithms to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and ensure passenger safety. AI is reshaping the financial industry by detecting fraudulent activities, automating customer service, and providing personalized investment advice. Ever wonder how streaming platforms recommend shows and movies? That's AI at work, analyzing your preferences and suggesting content tailored to your taste. AI is enhancing education by offering personalized learning experiences, automating administrative tasks, and even grading assignments. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots are performing tasks with precision and efficiency, from assembling products to managing inventory. AI is also playing a role in environmental conservation, predicting natural disasters, optimizing energy consumption, and monitoring wildlife. The uses of AI are vast and continually expanding. From our smartphones to our hospitals, AI is embedded in our daily lives, making things more efficient, personalized, and intelligent. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of AI. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of technology.